Yeah, since we got the snow, this is all they shoveled. And thanks to my neighbor, he plowed my bikeway again. I call it my bikeway, but it's still got ice underneath it, but crunchy snow on top, so I hope I don't wipe out. Probably make for a good video, but I don't want to. Where am I running today? I run down to Quick Trip on Highway 10. Maybe. Depending on how well the sidewalks are. Ooh, careful. Yeah. Footprints. But they pretty much caught up on everything, it looks like. So, it's nice. The alley's back to covered in snow, not ice. Now, trying to figure out where I want to go. It's like 20 degrees, but still feels like 5, I guess. Might go up to the one on Division to see how the roads are. I know they're slushy and wet, and as it warms up, it's going to get worse. It's going to get slushier. All that does is make my rear end get wet. Wow. Gonna be a lot of water, and then when it freezes, it's gonna be nasty again. We'll cut through Lake George as usual. Cars everywhere. Yes, cars. Everywhere. Yep, like I said, cars everywhere. Sidewalks are like half and half. That sidewalk don't even look good. So we'll go down this way toward the Chevy. Has to go down the center of the road. Oh, this is a nasty mess. Always becomes a nasty mess. I like this because in like power level 4, these little hills don't mean nothing. Oh, try not to get my camera covered. It will, because it's going to throw up water and dirt, and the pants are all going to be covered. And watch out at stop signs, because you can't see over the snow. It happens. Don't know if I like the snow or the tar better. Still nice to be able to get out and ride. I'm going this way because I'm not going up to Coburn. I'm not. Not today. I'm gonna to get all wet and sloppy, but maybe kill a squirrel. Oh, no. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Story of life. Use them too much, they squeak. Don't use them enough. Well, whatever. They squeak when they want to, I swear. Yes, above zero, she just hauls ass. I'm doing 17 and 4. That's nice. People honking their horns at me, beeping them at me. I don't even know who they are. They might know me, I don't know. Ooh. Ice. No, I don't even know how much any of this is cleared. I have no idea. No, no idea. Couldn't tell you. I don't think there's any way through there. I don't think so. Shit. Let's go find out. Damn. I don't care. I don't want to drive through that. I can go back around. I got enough battery. In both my GoPro and my bike. So, no. We'll cut her the Coburns away, even though I said I wasn't going to Coburns. It happens. $10-mile-an-hour speed limit. I'm breaking it. Yeah, nobody told me I could put this, basically put my pedal like sensor up to 9. Before it was only reading every like 3 times I pedaled. Now it's every 9. Well, gotta wait for cars. Oh. Sidewalk's cleared. Keep forgetting about the sidewalks because not many of them are cleared off. You know. I thought I had to go out on the road. See how many of the sidewalks are really done. Oh, that one don't even look like fun. Nope. We'll see. They're cleared off, but not totally smooth. Oh, tear the bike apart. Drop her down to 3 and crawl. That's too bumpy. Yes, it is. No more of that. I'll circle around. Yes, I will. I'll circle around and break the bike. Yeah. Don't worry, we're supposed to be getting more. More snow. Tonight we're supposed to be getting rain. It's gonna make it nasty. I think I'm 1 block down. Yeah, 1. Yeah, between slush and water and snow and I was hoping spring would come early, but it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it definitely didn't. Didn't come. Spring didn't come early. Now I'm waiting for a light. Nice people so far. Yes, I like this quick trip. I don't know why, but I do. Ooh, snow falling off, ice falling off the roof. Alright, I'm gonna stop you there. Yep, time to take the long way home. Or the back way home. Again. Now that we got snow hills again. Yes, we got between, like, I guess it depends on what side of town you go on, 10 or 12 inches, just yeah. Some people got 10, some people got 12. Guess it depends on where you're at. And I gotta watch, because there's hills of snow. Covered in water. Hopefully I don't cover the camera again. Yeah. Which way do I want to go? Huh. Where does this one go? Huh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going down to like 3rd, but say I go past the park today on this side of the park. No. We'll go in front of the school. Yeah. Fun patchy snow. Hey, I'm enjoying it. It's warming up quick, but like not too quick. Just slowly warming up. Oh, sidewalks look like shit. Yes, they do. And here, I don't know if I can cut over on roads. I don't know. I'll just run around the side of the road. Yeah. Make my own tracks. Yeah. Oh no. Damn buses. Make my truck even harder. Kick her in the ass. Oh, green light. Into the wind. $17, $18. I'm gonna take a right here. Because I can. Forget that, I want to pedal. I need the exercise. Yes, I want to exercise. I don't want to scream. That wind is cold still. 22 blowing stop signs. Because I don't care. Sometimes I feel like my speedometer ain't working. Now I'll go downtown. Oh, the wind is just, bucking down here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, damn the wind. Chevy Malibu. Oh, I was gonna bike downtown. Good scenery. Yeah, a quick trip became longer ride than I wanted. But shit happened. Damn people hesitating. Slow people. Quit squeaking. Fuck. Nobody coming, so I'm blowing this red light. Yes, I am. Because I can. Because I want to. I'm gonna get over on my street and go. Well, this is my street, but it ain't looking too good. It's looking nasty. Looking really nasty. I'm gonna knock her down into sword. I don't have to go that fast. It's just these shitty roads. There's a nice long ride. Yes, nice long ride. Still got a little bit to go. See if I can get back up to my house again. Should be able to if I keep weight on the back tire and I don't try to spin. No, I don't try to spin. Put her in easier to pedal. Hell yeah. That makes me happy. Yes, it does. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next ride. Probably will be a few days after the rain. Or maybe not. Not if it warms up. But, alright.